Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Just want to highlight again here the potential that we have on the silver chart. Both of the most recent trend reversal areas so far worked out nicely. So we had a turnaround in this yellow box after price dipped just below the 50% level, and then we looked at an additional small trend reversal area after this first possible 5-wave move up, gave you a support area here to get into the region between $22.80 and $23, and that did hold as well. So from that point of view, I am still, let's say, short-term bullish on silver, based on the assumption that the move of the March low into the April high could have been a wave one, very similar to the, like Bitcoin and so on, what's going on in the crypto market. Basically, they bottomed at the same time. I don't know why everybody in crypto is normally very much up, focused on correlations. Nobody sort of pointed out this 1-2 setup here, which is very much going in line with silver, and gold as well. So anyway, we looked at the April high then and said, okay, it looked likely that silver came down in an ABC structure. We could count the C wave complete. Happy days. The idea would now be that ideally silver is in the third wave. Now we have to say, first of all, let me move all of those waves across because things have moved on. We have to say, I can explain that while I'm doing this. We have to say that the current price action that we see of the low is not really typical third wave behavior. So if this was really now a third wave, it would be very bullish. We would rally in the heart of a third wave rally. It would need to break above the $26 level to confirm that, above the wave one high. Okay, I'm skeptical about the nature of the structure of this move to the upside. Doesn't clearly look like an impulse, so it could possibly be a diagonal. It could be a series of 1-2 setups. For example, we have a 1-2 setup here, which bottomed on the 30th of May. Then maybe a wave 1 as a leading diagonal, a wave 2 to the downside. This could be some kind of a third wave. I leave these waves here quite loose. I don't have the best visibility of the microstructure at the moment. What we need to see is a clear 5-wave move to the upside to confirm that silver has indeed bottomed there. But that is not so important, waiting for confirmation, because if you traded these trend reversal areas, and I can never tell you to do it, right? I can only give you the analysis. I can only tell you the levels where I believe prices should turn around in the current wave structure. Anybody who entered here can just easily focus on managing risk, same way as anybody who entered here or here in the larger area, which was in March. Okay, so I'm not entirely convinced that this is already a third wave. So what would be an alternative? An alternative wave count would be that the move to the downside here was in an A wave, basically of that high. We came down in an A wave. The move up here, because it is quite messy, would be a B wave. And the move down will then follow in a C wave. That's obviously the risk. That didn't matter so much so far because we had this trend reversal area, which was favorable in both scenarios anyway. Favorable reward to risk ratio. Now we just need to see, can silver develop an impulse? Can silver break above that wave one high at around about $26? That would be quite bullish. If not, what is resistance for this B wave scenario? Resistance would be, let me just add that, so highlight that in red. Well, resistance would be between 24.40. We've now reached that and reacted a little. The golden ratio at 24.81 and the 78.6 fib level at 25.39 or 25.40. A break above 25.40 would already shift probabilities further into the direction of a more bullish setup that we are rallying in the third wave. If we get rejected here strongly at one of these levels, then it would indicate this is just a B wave top and we could come down. So I think it's time now to talk about this scenario as we have reached the resistance level. And you know that I like generally the idea of scaling into support, scaling out in resistance. We've now reached resistance, so I just want to highlight that from a risk management point of view. This is not an unlikely scenario, especially because the move to the upside is so far not clearly impulsive. I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.